everybody, my name is Bibhushan Bhandari. Today I am going to make a PowerPoint presentation on equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions by Bibhushan Bhandari. What are fractions? Fractions are used to represent a certain amount of parts of a whole. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. Mixed fractions consist of a whole and a part. Here are some types of fractions. Proper fractions. The fractions with a numerator less than the denominator are called proper fractions. For example, 7/8. Improper fractions. The fractions with a numerator greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 9/7. Like fractions. The fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 2/7, 4/7, 5/7, etc. Unlike fractions. The fractions without the same denominator are called unlike fractions. For example, 3/5, 4/9, 6/11, etc. Mixed fractions. The fractions that consist of a whole and a part are called mixed fractions. For example, 7 wholes and 3/6. Equivalent fractions. The fractions which represent the same value are called equivalent fractions. For example, 3/5 and 6/10. Equivalence fractions is the presentation I am making right now. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are the fractions that essentially represent the same value. These fractions are derived by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the original fraction by the same number. Here is an example, 1/2 and 2/4. Both of these fractions represent the half of a whole. Examples of equivalent fractions by using multiplication to create them. Example A, 1/2. 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4. Here we multiply by 2 to create the equivalent fraction. Therefore, the fraction equivalent to 1/2 is 2/4. Example B, 1/3. 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 times 3 equals 9. Therefore, the fraction equivalent to 1/3 is 3/9. C, 4/5. 4 times 6 equals 24, 5 times 6 equals 30. Therefore, the fraction equivalent to 4/5 is 24/30. Thank you. Hope you liked my presentation.